guys, so we're doing another vlog today, but today is a makeup free day. I'm actually not doing anything today except for organising. My sister's gonna come around after work, but in the meantime I have a whole day to go to Ikea. I feel like you guys really loved the last clean with me video, so today we are going to be tackling my wardrobe. I've actually managed to keep this room pretty clean, not gonna lie. Very proud of myself, pat on the back. I'm learning, guys. I'm learning to be clean, yay! So I'm going to show you my wardrobe at the moment and why we're going to be switching things up, okay? So this is the wardrobe situation at the moment, okay? It just looks so crammed, so stuffed. I can't even open up this to see what stuff I have, which is so annoying. And then also this side here is getting so freaking cramped. I avoid going in here as much as necessary because it's just so full with loads of stuff, because I keep doing hauls, right? And all the time I can't find like my jumpsuits. Like, I can't even open this up to see what I actually have. And then there's a little corner in here where I can't see anything. Like, literally it looks so dark and dingy. The plan is we're going to be taking out all my jeans, all my casual joggers and stuff, because they are the stuff that I wear every single day, but because they're back here I just can't be bothered to look through here. So I do have these drawers here which I literally don't use for anything. Also this drawer I feel like it's just used for nothing as well. I have like belts in here, I have bags that I never ever touch because I don't even carry a bag. I also have this box up here which I literally never ever touch because it's so high up, and it's got also bags in there as well. So I don't know why I have bags up here and bags down here. So this normally lives underneath my bed. Oh my god, let me show you guys underneath my bed as well, because my sister organized this. This thing here, I don't know what's going on here, because it's meant to clip this underneath the bed so that the mattress thing doesn't fall off, but clearly it's not working. So if you guys are messy like me, you guys need an ottoman, okay? An ottoman is key. So I bought these scrub things also from Ikea, and they fit underneath my bed perfectly, and basically whenever I lift this up you can't see all the junk that's underneath. So we have like camera equipment underneath here, we have some jackets in here I think. So this normally lives in here, so basically it separates all of this. This basically isn't used well enough, so I need to put all my bags underneath here I think, because this just has like scarves and stuff, because it's getting summer now, so all my winter clothes are going underneath my bed. And then look, be gone. You can just hide it all underneath your bed. It's great, guys.
This is the real ratchet Thuy.
Since I'm going to be in the vlog, I have to put on a hat, guys, and I literally need to get some new hats, seriously. What one should I go for?
Thuy, you still got pyjamas on.
Hey! You're not meant to see that, okay? I need to hide this ratchet hair of mine. Look at it. Look at it!
I can see your pyjamas from the back as well.
No! Incognito, okay. Stop looking at my undergarments. Back to Ikea we go. Ikea! I'm coming for you! How annoying is this trolley? It just makes all these rickety noises. I picked the wrong trolley. We're stealing someone else's trolley. We're going to hell. We just stole someone's trolley. Guys, how annoying is this? I have a piece of chicken stuck in my teeth and I can't get it. And I'm constantly like a cow. So this is the thing that I wanted. It's called stuck. This is what I need, but I need this one up there. So Greg, get it.
I'm tall enough.
Yes, you are. Yeah, that's it. Oh, you pushed it in further. So this is the dilemma that I'm having at the moment, guys. I'm trying to visualize my drawers. So I feel like I need to get taller ones for my jeans. Originally I thought these ones would be fine, but I think they're a bit too short and too shallow. But I feel like this would be too tall for t-shirts, you know what I mean? I'm gonna do like a mix and match session. Guys, I'm so annoyed. After all of that, it's out of stock. I only managed to get 2 boxes. I'm so annoyed. I'm gonna have to come back to Ikea. So it is nearly 4 PM and my sister doesn't arrive here until like 7. I have this thing that when I have something in my head, I want to do it right now, and it annoys me that I have to wait until 7 o'clock for her to come. So I think I'm going to do like a head start without her, as she messaged me right now. So I've been watching some Instagram videos on how to fold, and it's called the filing method. So I just folded 1 tracksuit bottoms and I think I've done quite well. Like, this fits perfectly in the drawers. Okay, so I just folded up my jeans. The only thing about these boxes is that you can't lay like 2 side by side. So I feel like it's quite limiting. So I actually don't know if I'm going to keep these. I'm going to wait until my sister comes, so maybe she can work her magic. At the moment, I'm not liking it. Also, these tracksuit bottoms are quite thick, so I feel like they're taking up a lot of space. Like, jeans, I think is good to fold up, but tracksuit bottoms, I'm not too sure. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to wait till my sister comes. Meanwhile, we actually bought another drawer for Gran. This is why I love the Pax wardrobe so much, because you can literally just build as you go. So at first we was like, oh, Gran only needs 2 little drawers, and now we feel like he would do better with an extra drawer. And I'm gonna fix this, another freaking drawer, and I'm gonna drill it in for him.
My head underwater.
Thuy is putting the final touches.
Yeah, I'm actually a whiz at building these drawers now, guys. I've had so much experience. So we need to organise this because it's a bit of a mess at the moment. You've got some t-shirts in here. I don't know where your pants are. Some pyjamas in here. We need to have this bottom one for pyjamas, this top one for t-shirt, and then maybe some jeans and shorts and stuff here, because this is a bit overcrowded.
The only reason Thuy built it for me because I'm over here working.
So how come you're working on the laptop and not the iMac?
Because Thuy always takes over, so I might as well just stick with my corner.
Yep, stay over there, let me have the nice massaging chair, you know how it goes. So if you guys haven't seen my Insta stories, I was talking about this mouse that I bought on Amazon. It was £70. It's a Logitech mouse, but it's especially designed for editing. As you guys see, it has a scroll up here, it has a little button here, a button even disguised in here. There's also a button here and a button within this scroll, and then obviously the left and right tool. So you can change it depending on what application you have open. So obviously we use Final Cut Pro.
I've programmed this to be the blade tool. I've programmed this to be the trim tool, and this is delete. So if I want the clip to start here, so I'll just press this trim tool, this button here, and it goes like that. And obviously I've got the B tool, the break tool, and then if I want it to start there to there, a trim like that.
So instead of us having to click shift or delete on the keyboard, we can just keep our hand on the mouse, and it actually saves us so much time. So I'll leave this link down below for you guys if you're interested. It's honestly so good. So this guy here, he has a whole shelf here of trainers, and he just loves to like take every single one out and leave a shoe there, a shoe here, and then we're covered with like grit and dust in this damn floor.
They're on rotation. They should be in my wardrobe.
Also guys, these are exactly the same shoes but in different colorways. Like, come on now. Okay guys, so I literally just got distracted from cleaning because I got a little delivery from Colourpop, and I've literally been swatching everything. Look at my hands, guys. It's so nice and glittery. They just launched a brand new jelly eyeshadow, and honestly it's freaking insane. So how misleading is this, guys? So look how boring this packaging is, guys. And then when you open it, it's like, oh, it's like a jelly formula. And then I'll do a little swatch. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's like a galaxy. You guys see that? So cute. But obviously your girl can't use up all of this makeup, so we're gonna do a little giveaway. Hey, giveaway time. The rules of the giveaway, I'm literally just gonna make this on the top of my head. You have to make sure you follow me on Twitter. I need to try to reach 10k on Twitter. So I know a lot of you guys gotta complain and say that I don't have a Twitter account. Well, make one, bitch. It's freaking free to make one, okay? Support your girl. Get me to 10k on Twitter, and all you have to do is maybe comment down below what is your favourite food, and then also put your Twitter handle down below in that comment section as well, and then I'm going to slide into your DMs on Twitter, okay? So go make yourself a new Twitter handle. You can even make several as long as you follow me on Twitter. Try to get me to 10k. And then I'm going to send you a big box of makeup. Right, so my sister has just arrived.
I've been upgraded today.
Normally she's the skivvy organising everything, but now I'm actually using her real skills. And have you brushed your hair today?
Oh, I mentioned that on my snap today. The bedness is tamed today.
2 porkies, working for another porky. 3 porkies.
So today we've got organisation, but this is a different type of organisation. So today we're organising her emails. So not only you organise your life outside, you need to organise what are all the electronic side of things as well. So to make yourself, okay, I don't know what the fuck I said.
In the bloopers. Make yourself sound smart. Quick, say some more smart lines.
To make yourself efficient, not only you organise the surrounding, you organise the electronic version. So we're going through the email side of things today, and we're building folders, we're categorising a different type of emails, and then we can separate and show who's responsible for what.
Yes. Okay guys, so we literally was having a little debate on the PC and stuff, and we wanted to show you guys some tips and stuff. But honestly, I learned nothing new. I was waiting for stuff.
What?
I was waiting for some like good like oh like didn't know about that, and then everything was just like so fucking basic. So basically my sister just made all new categories for me, and then now I just had to go through all my emails and put them in the category. So yeah, it was really simple. I don't know why I thought it was such a hard thing to do. She's back to her specialty now. What I actually need her for, which would be
we're organising trousers and clothing.
Yes, okay, so we're gonna be basically going through this and deciding what needs to go in the drawer and what needs to say remain hanging. Would you say hanging is better or folding?
It depends what you're hanging or what you're trying to organise. I feel that with jumpers, things that are more chunkier, it's best to hang them. Things that are like t-shirt and quite thin and easily foldable should be compacted and put in trays.
Okay.
Where are more of the scubs?
There is it.
Where you bought more?
Oh, I need to buy the shorter ones, but they're out of stock.
What the fuck? She's got fucking two! So it's still back to Ikea.
So we basically left all my long sleeve kind of fancy shirts here, and these are just my general just normal t-shirt that we're going to be actually folding into these little scub things. I've also decided that I don't like this, so we're going to be returning these. But now we've done my trousers, so I've got leggings here, tracksuit bottoms, here's a bit of leggings, here's a bit of tracksuit bottoms. I actually want to move this to here, so maybe if I have time I'll do that. And then we've got some jeans here. But it's a little bit annoying because I don't have space to grow. I want to buy more stuff, you know what I'm saying? My sister also put my belts here at the top, because before this was just like a bit of a random drawer. So we've got bras and belts here. Some bags are here as well. So how good is that? My sister arranged all my shorts into one of these. So now I don't have to refund these. Great. So we've got denim shorts over here. These are also some denim, like black denim, white denim, and then some like smart trousery ones. So it is 11 o'clock. So you want to explain what you've done, Helena?
Let me show my masterpiece. Okay, so we separated all the tops and took out all the t-shirts because they were taking up way too much space. We also try to colour coordinate it. So these are all the jumper section, and we try to go from dark to light to white. And then all this section is your sort of fancier tops and clothings. So we did this tray, and we folded all the vests and t-shirts and skirts and everything all together, so it looks really nice. And then she had a lot of unitards, so we thought one little scrub fit them perfectly, and voila. In this tray, we originally wanted to put scubs in here, but after analysing and fitting all the trousers, we think it fits perfectly. We don't need a divider for them. Jeans, joggers, and then your black sort of leggings and items there. So we relocated some items. Originally, the trousers were down here, but we thought it was a waste of space, and we managed to basically free up a lot of space by moving all the shorts that were originally there, and we managed to fit them over here. And then down here we have all her sort of dresses, jumpsuits, and then down here we have her co-ords.
Yes, I actually have a lot of co-ords, guys.
Yeah,
there was a lot here. And then we also moved the big heavy jumpers to the back there because it's getting summertime now. So I have so many hangers now. Look at all these extra hangers that I have. I actually was struggling with hangers before.
And also she's got room to actually view her items. And look at them. Before, it was so busy and you literally couldn't move any of the hangers to look at any of the items. So I think I would highly recommend that, even though, you know, you got a lot of clothing, try to fold them because it takes less room.
Yes! Great job, Hungalina. Woo! Teamwork! Yes! We completed it. And how long did it take us?
Oh my god, from 6:30 and now it's what time?
11. Okay, so that's it for today's vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed the more casual format, especially without me wearing any scrap of makeup. So you guys get to see the real deal, the truth, okay? I look grubby like this 99% of the time, okay? So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a little thumbs up. If you guys haven't followed my sister yet, follow her. I'll leave her link down below in the description. And if you guys haven't followed me on all my social media platforms yet, it's just xThuyLe on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Enjoy the bloopers. Mwah!
That's what I do to Thuy.
Stop being annoying. How? So look how boring this packaging is. You just want to be in the bloopers? God, love, you can make it into the blooper.
There's a blooper. I'm perfecto.